Fissures are really very commonly seen in many of the people, and this is misunderstood as piles by many of them. But rather than this is very different problem than piles. Fissure in ano is an anorectal disease in which a person can feel severe cutting-like pain in his anus during evacuation of his bowels. Burning, itching sensation is felt. Sometimes bleeding may be present. This pain is so much irritating to the person that he actually tries to avoid the time period of evacuating of his bowels. So the first question tickles in your mind is, what are fissures? Being an Ayurvedic proctologist, I have been observing that as compared to males, many of the females are facing this kind of issues and they are totally unaware of this fact. So we will see what are fissures. So this is our anal canal. This measures up to 4 centimeters in length and the breadth is 2 centimeters. Towards its both the ends, it has some rubber band like elastic structures called as sphincters. This is internal sphincter, this is external sphincter. This space is highly vascular in nature in between, so that this area becomes very much sensitive with this. So in this region, if some cuts are formed, those are called as fissures. With these cuts, these muscles around the anus, they get swelled, and with the swelling, this area becomes narrower, and that becomes difficult for a person to pass the stools. That's why during fissures, the pain has been severe during passing of the stools. So what are the causes of fissures? The first and important cause of fissures is constipation. We have done a detailed video for constipation. Its link has been shared in below description box. You can go through that. Second reason for fissures is disturbed metabolism. That may include IBS-like diseases, diarrhea, dysentery, IBD, even Crohn's disease, etc. Third and important cause for fissures may be straining during childbirth or straining during evacuating your bowels. And that's why many ladies after deliveries land up with this kind of issues, fissures. So now the question arises, how fissures are diagnosed? You need to get a proper consultation with your proctologist, and by PR examination, per rectal examination, it will be diagnosed. So what is the treatment for fissures? You can see many people, they undergo surgeries, but after some time they land up into issues like incontinence. But in Pradnya Ayurveda, we concentrate on medicinal treatment, and till date successfully we are avoiding many surgeries. In Ayurveda, the root cause of fissures is somewhere related to your metabolism. So the internal medicines work very well. With this, you are taught with a special procedure called as Guda Purana. With this procedure, your anal region gets healed up very quickly and you get instant results in pain also. These procedures are continued for 6 to 8 weeks. With this, your metabolism issues also get resolved and your anus also gets healed up. Fissures, if they are formed very recently in your body, means at acute stage, they may get healed up naturally without taking treatment. But if it is recurrent, you need to get a proper treatment to be undergone. If you don't concentrate on the root cause of your fissures, after undergoing surgery also, you will be landing up in same issues, and that is fissures after 1 or 2 years.